Over a long weekend, I decided I wanted to improve the organization of my work from home space. The first step is to dismantle everything. Two new components, a new power strip. There's only one cord going from my desk to the wall. I also added new mounting hardware for my monitor and laptop. I modified it to hold my camera, mic, lights, and speakers. Once the main components were mounted, I needed to wire it all up. Here's the end result. Thanks for watching.